I'm truly excited to share with you the passion and purpose behind Style City Music Incorporated. Our journey began with a vision to transform corporate events into unforgettable experiences that captivate, engage, and inspire. We want to take our business to the next level and amplify the impact we have on the events industry, and cater to medium-sized corporate events with unmatched expertise. From cutting-edge audio-visual solutions to seamless event production, we're committed to delivering excellence at every step, but our commitment doesn't stop there. We're dedicated to making a positive impact on our community. Through mentorship programs, we're nurturing the next generation of event professionals, sharing our knowledge and skills to inspire others to excel in this industry. Your investment in us isn't just about supporting a business, it's about fueling a movement. A movement that transforms events into extraordinary moments of connection, learning, and celebration. So join us on this exciting journey. Together, we'll turn visions into reality, elevate experiences, and create lasting memories. Thank you for believing in us, and we can't wait to show you the incredible things we'll achieve with your support. Style City Music, where every event rocks.
Hey, this is Q with Style City Music, and what we'll be working on today is wiring a video wall. So we're going to be wiring power and data, and what we'll be working with are the home run cable for the data jumpers, the home run cable for power, we'll be using 3 of them, and the power jumpers. And we'll be connecting to the VS3 IP video wall, which we already set up. We have the structure behind us, but it's doing absolutely nothing because there's no power data running to it yet. So that's what we're going to do. So things we have to consider when running power and data. We use a Novastar processor, which uses about 650,000 pixels per port. And that's 2.3 million pixels that it can support because it has 4 ports. The video wall we use is the VS3 IP, which uses roughly 67,000 pixels per panel. So if you do the math, it comes out to the 650,000 per port divided by 67,000 roughly gets us 9 panels per port that we can connect. So we can connect all 9 of these panels to one port on the Novastar processor. We have to consider what are we plugging into. So in here we have a 15 amp circuits. So a 15 amp circuit is roughly 1800 watts. The panels will use maximum power consumption 210 watts per panel. So again, if we divide the 1800 by the 210, we get roughly 8.5 panels per circuit that we can run on a 15 amp circuit. Now we're going to run all 9 on one circuit, but that's because we won't be running at 100%. We'll barely be running at most 10% or 20%. So we'll be able to hook all 9 panels on one circuit just fine. So as far as how we're going to wireless, we typically start in the upper left hand corner. We go across with the data, down, back across, down, and across again in a S type of pattern. And again, we'll run every single data line on one string. Now with the power, we're going to jump from left to right, but we'll do 3 individual home runs, and mainly it has to do with the length of these cables, nothing else. Is that we don't use really long cables, So the shortest path is just going to be jumping left to right, one panel to the next. And that will get all our power and data run. So let's set it up.
Welcome to the House of Style.
Okay, so we got all our cables ran, and next we'll turn our processor on. We plug the main cable into port 1, and we'll see how we're doing. It's booting up. All right, and there we go. We have power and signal to all the panels, and it looks a mess because everything's all jumbled. Matter of fact, that panel right there tells me it's not properly configured to this video wall. And I forgot I loaned my processor to another company. So everything is working, but this needs to be reconfigured. So that's what we'll work on next time, is configuring the processor to the video wall and the current setup. One world, one love.